Look at that. Mike's got his buggy in the shop again.
What's up?
Been working his butt off for the last 3 years.
It's been like a month.
The last month. Every day, after work, every day. Look at it now.
Look at it now.
Got front bumper.
Yeah.
Bashing bumper, I guess.
Could be.
Could be. We don't know yet.
It's undetermined.
I don't know if I can wheel with Mike anymore because he's got big old bashing bumper.
Yeah.
And he even said it himself.
Like.
So I was like, I don't know.
Better not get stuck. Come push you.
We don't even need a winch.
Right.
Look at that.
But yeah, a lot of progress. Been making all kind of metal pieces. Currently working on this.
This bar, that little piece there, and that one was already there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, a lot of progress. We're almost there. I'm almost done with the metal work.
Almost done with the metal work.
Then I got to do some rerouting of the fuel lines. I got to do a bunch of wiring. I don't have any lights. I don't have a single light on here.
All the wiring.
All the wiring, all the lights.
God, I didn't even see that.
The switches and the dash and
yeah. Dude, you can add a dome light now too.
Oh yeah, I got a spot.
Put right there, or right there, or right there, or right there, anywhere, right there.
Yeah.
Or right here.
Then I gotta put some paint on there.
Dome light? What?
Never had one.
Don't need one.
Yeah. I never needed one.
This thing is rusting really fast. Like up there, kind of hard to see in the camera, but it's like,
yeah, it's only a few days old.
yeah, and we gotta hurry up and paint it after he's done working on it. All that.
Yeah, that was all fresh metal like a week ago.
Yeah.
But
And now it's all getting rusty. And we don't like rust. Well, Mike doesn't like rust. I don't either. I hate rust.
yeah, I'm not. It's fine.
It's fine. Look at this. Even rusting right there.
No, that's just dirt. It's like rust, but it's still brown. It's a different kind of rust.
This was rust proofing. That's what that is. It's got oil and dirt on it.
Yeah.
That's fine. But that's what he's been working on. All of this. He still has to do a dash and like a dash bar and hide all the wiring under the dash bar. Seat belts. He still got to do seat belts.
Seat belts and handles and
Yeah.
you know, all that.
Everything. Mount the welder. Still got to mount the welder somewhere.
Got to put the heater somewhere.
The heater somewhere. The batteries are staying right there.
Yeah.
This is the fuel line he was talking about. He's got to move that somewhere else because he don't want that right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of hot stuff. Well, these
Coolant.
tubes are coolant, and therefore they are not cool.
Yeah, you can't have this there because it might start. What do you call it?
Boiling the gas. Vapor lock.
Vapor locking.
Yeah.
And you can't run it inside the fuel rail or a frame rail because there's an exhaust right there.
Yeah.
So now he has to come up with something even better.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out.
It's gonna get figured out somehow.
That's it. One way or another.
Uh-oh, Mike. You forgot to pull that off.
Oh my goodness. What will
Ah,
you
it's
do?
an eyesore.
I know, fix it.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Sand it. Ah,
Sanding disc. There you go.
there. Phew.
God.
Almost ruined the buggy.
The whole buggy.
Yeah.
Throw it away. Start a new one.
Yeah, start over. It's done.
But look at that. One door, two door, three door, four door. It's a four door for
That's right.
more activities.
That's right. More people.
More people. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, you still gotta put lights on it, rock lights, gotta put a light bar on it, gotta put turn signals in the rear. Then he still has to test everything, make sure it all works.
Right. Yeah, there's still a whole point of like, you gotta go drive it around and see if it does
Cooling
what you
down.
hope.
I hope it runs cooler like this.
Yeah, I think it will. I think it'll be good.
Because before, I don't know, what heat blowing right on that motor.
Yeah.
I don't know, is that a thing? Like,
Oh yeah. Well, all the heat that you're trying to take away from the engine by running it through the radiator is then just blown directly onto the motor.
yeah.
And then you.
Yeah. So that means it's getting hot air into the intake and then
Yeah,
generating more heat.
I think it'll do good to have the radiator in the back.
Yeah. Now the more heat will not as much blow right onto you guys.
Right.
It's gonna be cooler. Cooler.
Still hot, but cooler.
There it is. And I'm working on this thing because I'm going to Farmington this weekend, and I gotta make sure this thing is ready and not break down on me while I'm out there wheeling. So if you guys are in Farmington, We Rock Grand Nationals is this weekend. I'll put a date right here, whatever day it is. But we'll be there. I'm just gonna be a spectator this year. I'm not gonna be in the comp or anything. But we ran rear steer yesterday with Rory, and I heard a very loud pang, pop, boom from the chassis somewhere, and I don't know what it was. So I'm gonna crawl around, look under it, and my brake light switch keeps coming loose. So I'm gonna try to figure this out, take it off, and see what I can do to make it stay like that, because it keeps coming loose and my brake lights are on constantly. See, and it's very bright when people are behind me because I have just the light running hard. So I pulled the panel off. Now I'm gonna start messing with this switch, seeing if I can figure it out, and then what else? That's it. And crawl around, look at everything, get it all cleaned up, get all this trash out. Got lots of trash in here, a lot of water because it's really hot out here. So my little Che got me some dice from Las Vegas. Look at that, it's cool. But I'm gonna take it out of here because I couldn't see anything with those in the car. It was right in the way of everything. So I'm gonna put those in the 65. Hanging on the windshield of 65. So yeah, kind of clean everything up, make it look good, and here we go. I'm gonna mess with that switch. Okay, brake light switch is fixed. I just added a washer right behind it to the nut. It was getting stripped out because it's just a plastic, so the nut was just backing off, but now it's fixed. So now I'm gonna grab a creeper and crawl under there and inspect a bunch of metal stuff, see what's going on with it. So here we go. All right, here we are. The front drive line looks okay. Did kind of get some rocks right there. Kind of got a little bit of rock damage. The pinion, the front diff, of course front diff's gonna get it a lot. The pinion got a little bit, but it's still holding strong. I have not found, well, I did find this bolt was loose. See that? That one came loose, so I'll tighten that one up. What else? That one was loose. Those ones are all tight. Well, by hand anyway. I'll put a wrench on it later. And that moves fine. That moves fine. That moves fine. That moves fine. I looked at that cross member. It's fine. Look at this one. It's fine. Like, all of this is still fully welded. I'm not really seeing anything, so I'm guessing that one just got in a bind and it came back, and because they'll slide back and pop because the bolt is loose, and that's the only thing I could think of. But yeah, everything else seems okay. There's a bunch of this, like the heim joint is coming apart, if you can see that right there. That's the internals of the Heim joint. The Teflon or whatever you want to call it. But it seems like everything is still there. I don't see no visible cracks or... I don't know. It's always a constant fight with these things. Try to find weird noises, and sometimes the weird noises happen, I guess. I don't know. But I know that center ball is going out, and I really need to replace it, but it's just going to go out again because of the angle of this drive line. It's not the right angle. It's too much of a... Let's see if I can get back here. Too much of a drop. And it drops out even more when I flex. So, and I noticed this tube is really bent now. So, other than that, everything else is holding up. Oh, that one's loose too. Huh. Anyway, there it is. That's the underside of my buggy. Very dirty from the mud bog. There's still mud on here from the mud bog. But anyway, you get the point. I could be here for hours popping all this mud off of here. Yeah, that big old clog. I'm right in line of fire, that one. Let me get out of the way. There we go. See? All on the shop floor so I can sweep it up later. I might get the garden hose out and wash this cooler because there's mud in there. I can see it. So I can just rinse that out. Oh, I stabbed my thumb. What the heck? Ah, that hurt. Might just call it a day and go home. I got a little boo-boo. Let me tighten that bolt before I forget. Look what I got. A dusty old box. It's been opened one time because I couldn't believe it. I got some pool noodles. Just kidding. I got me a welder. Check this out. That's sick. Hashtag Premier Power Welder. Look how excited I am. Got the hardware, got the leads. So it might not be a bad idea if I hook this up and had it running for We-Rock. I know a lot of people out there break link brackets and all kinds of stuff. So it might not be a bad idea to hook this up. You know? What do you think, Mike? Wouldn't be a bad idea to hook this up for the weekend, huh?
I think it'd be silly not to, now that you said it.
Now I said it and I don't do it. It's gonna be like,
You're gonna have a lot of regrets.
yeah. What Mike said. Battery, alternator, ignition, live with key only. So yeah, power on. Regulator cannot be remote mounted or eyesight down. So this can't be remote mounted or eyesight down. Look at that. Got me a brand new welder sitting right here. I just gotta hook it all up. Just gotta get it going. This is the easy part. The hard part's finding a place to mount it where I can access it pretty easy. Let's see here. Right here. Thinking maybe something like right here. Sorry, I got the camera everywhere. Or right against that firewall right there on the inside. Pull this panel out, stick this box right there, run all my wires, because my battery's over there, so I think that'll be long enough to reach from there to here, you know, over the transmission, under that seat, and bolt it right to that. Why is there 3? Oh, one goes to the alternator. One goes alternator, one goes, 2 of them goes battery, positive and negative. Yeah, that's what I should do. Or should I put it out here? Mount it right here. Or mount it right here. Nah, I think I'll mount it on the inside somewhere. Somewhere where I could show it off, make it look good. I might just even mount it right there. Right on this panel. Nah, that looks dumb. Maybe right there. Let me pull this panel off and take a look. 1 second. Hold on. Oh, I did get body damage on wrist here, Mike.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How bad?
Looks like the bottom of my 4 is missing. But right there and right there. I was climbing the creek thing where that water sits, and then there's like a half bowl, and it's like really hard to climb.
Yeah.
I climbed that and then went straight for that little creek roundabout thing. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
It's like,
oh, to the left?
Yeah,
thing?
to the left, yeah.
Yeah.
So right in there, and I went like really high up in the wall and like worked around in there. You already got me spotted through there, but
Fucking. Oops.
that's what I got right there. Oopsie. Boom.
Hell
Okay,
yeah.
it worked. This side was already ruined anyway. I might just auction that panel off. Put some money in my pocket.
Fuck yeah, dude. Might as well. Might as well.
Make a new panel.
Right?